Have you ever felt like a man was so into you one moment, and then suddenly, his energy changed? One day, he's texting nonstop, making plans, saying you're special, and then suddenly, he's distant. Or maybe he's into you, but he just won't fully commit. It's frustrating, right? But here's the truth, men experience love in phases. And if you don't understand these phases, you might push him away without even realizing it. In this video, we're breaking down the 3 phases of love every man goes through and how to handle each one so he stays obsessed with you. Phase 1, the attraction phase. What happens in this phase? This is when a man is excited, curious, and highly interested in you. He's putting in effort, calling, texting, planning dates. He's drawn to your energy, looks, and the thrill of something new. He might even say things like, "I've never met someone like you before. You're amazing. I feel a real connection with you. Everything feels magical." But here's where most women make a mistake. Common mistakes women make in this phase. Getting too emotionally attached too soon, you start imagining a future together before he's even fully invested. Dropping everything for him, you stop focusing on your own life and make him your priority. Overgiving, you try too hard to impress him instead of letting him pursue you. How to handle this phase like a high-value woman. Match his energy, but don't overinvest. Let him put in effort. Keep your life full, friends, hobbies, and personal goals should still come first. Don't rush into deep emotional attachment. Let the relationship unfold naturally. Phase 2, the uncertainty phase. What happens in this phase? This is the phase where most women panic. A man starts to pull back. He's still interested, but he's no longer as intense as before. He might take longer to reply to texts. Be less eager to make plans. Seem emotionally distant. And this is where women often think, did I do something wrong? Is he losing interest? I need to do more to keep him. Why do men pull back in this phase? It's not because he doesn't like you. It's because his emotions are catching up with his logic. He's starting to think, do I really want to commit? Is this the right relationship for me? Am I ready for this? Men process emotions differently than women. When they start feeling something deep, their first instinct is often to pull back and analyze. Common mistakes women make in this phase. Chasing him, constantly texting, asking what's wrong, or trying to fix his distance. Becoming insecure, overthinking, acting needy, or emotionally reacting to his withdrawal. Forcing commitment, pressuring him to define the relationship before he's ready. How to handle this phase like a high-value woman. Don't panic. His withdrawal is normal. Stay confident and unbothered. Give him space. The more you lean back, the more he will come towards you. Live your best life. Focus on your happiness, and he will be drawn back to you naturally. Remember, distance creates desire. When he feels like he might lose you, he realizes your value. Phase 3, the commitment phase. What happens in this phase? If you handled phase 2 correctly, he will come back stronger. This is where he makes a decision. I don't want to lose her. She's different from the rest. I want her to be mine. He will start putting in more effort, be more emotionally present, and express his love in actions, not just words. Common mistakes women make in this phase. Becoming complacent. Stopping the things that made you attractive in the first place. Losing independence, making the relationship your whole identity. Over-expecting, assuming commitment means he will always be perfect. So how do you keep him emotionally invested in this phase? Stay mysterious, keep evolving and growing so he's always intrigued by you. Maintain your own life, for the happiest relationships happen when both partners have individual fulfillment. Appreciate him, but don't idolize him. A man wants to be loved, not worshipped. Final thoughts. Every man goes through these 3 phases of love. If you chase in phase 2, you push him away. If you stay confident, he chooses you. A high-value woman knows her worth. She doesn't force love, she attracts it. So the question is, Are you ready to handle these phases like a high-value woman? I leave you with the answer. Was this video helpful? Let's have your thoughts in the comments section. Kindly support this good work by subscribing to this channel. Also like and share. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.